Here are some really loud fans that are running. They honestly sound more like air conditioners. They're very loud, and you can hear them from pretty much the end of the road over there. This is at a condo complex. There's a lot of air conditioners over there, so yeah. They were louder yesterday though, but here's a Goodman running, very quiet. So this house is like neighboring our house. Our house is literally back there, and the guy who owns the house is currently in this house. One of the quietest Goodmans that I've ever seen. Pretty sure it has a rotary compressor. Can't get the data, but yeah, very quiet. Can't really see it, but there's also two Lennoxes behind this fence, and one of them is running super quiet. But there's some Tranes over there. I'll go film them. Here are two Trane air conditioners. This one's running super quiet. Here's the other one. Climate of Scroll, I think. But this is in someone's yard, so I'm not gonna like get the data or anything. You can barely even hear it. These are super quiet. Now, here's a bunch of air conditioners. Here's a Payne. Oh, it has a Copeland reciprocating compressor. 1998. One of these is running. Not sure which one. Oh, it's this airflow. Running. Can't see its compressor. And this is 2000. Then over here we got a Lennox. The airflow is very quiet. Here's a Lennox. Emerson Copeland scroll, I think. Let's see. This one is from 2014. That supermarket over there has like some tabletop units and stuff. Here's a Goodman. Not sure. Never seen one like this before. This is a weird one. Has a Emerson scroll. Let's see. I can't really read it. From 2000. I don't know. It's hard to get the data. This looks like an older Manor unit. What? Oh, this is a Lennox. This is a really old Lennox, and it looks like it has a. What the heck? Either it's a. Wait, no, the compressor is in there. Not sure what kind it is. See, this is from 2000. I believe it's a 3-ton, I'm not sure. And here we have an American Standard. Yeah, Alliance has a Climate-Tough reciprocating compressor. A big fat one. This one's from 2000. Oh, here's two of them actually. Here's a Goodman and a Lennox. This is a Lennox Elite Series. The Copeland LG scroll. And then this Goodman has a Copeland scroll compressor. So yeah, my battery's running low. So I better stop the video. But those were some air conditioners in this neighborhood of Houston Heights. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video out.